Education is the foundation of growth, opportunity and empowerment. Yet in many rural villages, access to quality education remains a distant dream. This is school, a place where young minds come with dreams of learning and a brighter future. However, limited resources and infrastructure challenges makes their journey difficult. Despite these challenges, these children are driven, hopeful and eager to succeed. At Hola Prime, we believe that every child deserves access to quality education, no matter where they live. Through our CSR initiative, we're committed to creating lasting change by supporting schools like these. Our efforts include renovating classrooms, providing necessary supplies, and creating a learning environment that inspires growth. We're helping make this village school a place where dreams can take root. Together, we're not just building classrooms, but building futures. When these children succeed, we all succeed, because education is not just a privilege, it's a right.